All right, GBMC, this is the video to find our 4 mini winners for the 5 MVP helmet. This is mini number 1. We'll check the time, February 4th at 10:32 a.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. We have February 4th at 10:32 a.m. There is the list of our 40 entries. We're just going to randomize names, and then the top 4 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times looking for the top 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final looking for the top 4. Here we go. Good luck. It is Greg, Scott, Dustin, and Dwayne. So Greg, you will get first. Scott, you'll get second. Dustin, you'll get third. And then Dwayne, you will get the remainder. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, February 4th, 10:33 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.